Much like the surge in mechanical keyboards, valued for their precision, durability, and comfort by typists and gamers, there has been a rising demand for budget-friendly circular saws among DIYers and professionals. People want tools that balance cutting power, portability.
List number 1. The DEWALT 7 1/4-inch circular saw is a trusted budget option that doesn't cut corners on performance. Powered by a 15-amp motor, it delivers 5,200 RPM, giving users enough power to tackle demanding cuts through wood, plywood, and framing lumber. The saw's lightweight design, at only 8.8 pounds, makes it easy to maneuver and reduces fatigue during long projects. Its high-strength aluminum shoe provides durability and maintains stability for accurate cuts. With a 57-degree bevel capacity, this tool offers flexibility for angled cuts, and detents at 22.5 degrees and 45 degrees allow quick adjustments. One of its standout features is the integrated dust blower, which keeps the cutting line clear of debris for greater visibility. The saw also includes a spindle lock for quick and easy blade changes, a huge time saver for busy projects. For a budget-friendly price, you get a professional-level saw that combines reliability, ease of use, and precision cutting. Verdict: a dependable, lightweight circular saw with strong cutting power and great bevel capacity. Ideal for DIYers and pros looking for a solid budget tool.
List number 2. The DEWALT FLEXVOLT 60V Max circular saw is a budget-conscious option in the cordless category, offering versatility without sacrificing performance. With a brushless motor delivering up to 5,800 RPM, it provides power comparable to corded saws. A key highlight is the electronic brake, which stops the blade quickly after releasing the trigger, adding a layer of safety. The saw also boasts a 7 1/4-inch blade capacity, enabling deeper cuts and versatility across different materials. Its FlexVolt battery system is backward compatible, working with both 20V Max and 60V Max tools, making it a cost-effective choice if you already own DEWALT batteries. The 57-degree bevel capacity allows for a wide range of angled cuts, making it great for construction and remodeling tasks. Although it comes at a slightly higher price point than smaller cordless options, it remains one of the best budget, high-performance saws for its class. Its portability and freedom from cords make it invaluable for job sites where outlets are limited.
List number 3. The DEWALT Atomic 20V Max circular saw is designed for compact convenience without compromising efficiency. With its 4.5-inch blade, this saw is ideal for small to medium cutting jobs, particularly where space is tight. Weighing only 6.6 pounds, it's easy to carry and reduces user fatigue. Its brushless motor provides long runtime and delivers impressive cutting performance for its size. The saw offers a 1.5-inch cutting depth at 90 degrees, making it suitable for cutting 2X materials, laminate, and sheet goods. One of the standout features is the bevel gear design, which allows cutting up to 2X material at 45 degrees, a unique advantage compared to other compact saws. The ergonomic handle and balanced weight distribution enhance comfort during extended use. While it's not designed for heavy-duty framing projects, it excels in precision and portability, making it a fantastic choice for home improvement tasks or contractors needing a compact secondary saw. Verdict: a lightweight, portable circular saw offering convenience and solid cutting ability, ideal for smaller projects, tight spaces.
List number 4. Another budget-friendly gem from DEWALT, the 7 1/4-inch circular saw is a high-performance corded option that delivers consistent power. Equipped with a 15-amp motor, it easily handles framing lumber, OSB, and hardwoods with a 5,100 RPM speed output. This model is designed with user comfort in mind, featuring an ergonomic handle that reduces vibration and enhances grip. Its lightweight 8.8-pound design ensures less strain during long cutting sessions. The saw's bevel capacity up to 57 degrees provides versatility for angled cuts, with convenient stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees for accuracy. The durable aluminum base offers stability and long-term reliability, while the dust blower helps maintain a clear line of sight. With its combination of affordability, reliability, and cutting power, it's a favorite among DIYers and tradesmen alike. Verdict: a robust corded saw that offers dependable cutting performance and durability at a budget-friendly price. An excellent pick for both beginners and professionals.
List number 5. The DEWALT 20V Max circular saw strikes the perfect balance between cordless freedom and strong cutting ability. Featuring a 6.5-inch carbide-tipped blade, it cuts through 2x material at 90 and 45 degrees with ease. Its 5150 RPM motor ensures fast, efficient cuts, ideal for construction and home projects. Weighing only 7.3 pounds, it's lightweight and portable, reducing fatigue during extended use. The saw also features a magnesium shoe for long-lasting durability and accuracy. A 0 to 50 degree bevel capacity adds flexibility, making it great for a variety of angled cuts. The cordless design enhances mobility, especially on job sites with limited access to outlets. It's part of DEWALT's 20V Max system, so if you already own compatible batteries, this saw becomes an even better budget choice. Although it has slightly less power compared to larger corded models, it offers excellent portability and cutting precision, making it a go-to option for many users. Verdict: a reliable, lightweight cordless saw that offers flexibility, portability, and solid performance, perfect for users who want convenience without breaking the bank.